Okay, so let's go over the triads. Now remember, with triangular prisms, the triangle is always the base. So when we have our volume equals our base times our height, our base is the triangle. It's like they messed up when they put the cake on your plate and they flipped it to the wrong side. So this is like our cake is fallen over. We want it to be sitting nice and pretty. So typically, your base is the triangle. So when our base is our triangle, that means we replace B with the area of our triangle. And the area of a triangle is 1/2 base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. And then this is times the whole height of like our cake or a piece of cheese or whatever it is. So let's plug in our numbers. So we have the base of our triangle, which is 12. The height of our triangle, which is 5. And we multiply that by 1/2. Then we have the height, or what would have been the height had the cake not fallen to its side, and that is 9. And now we're just going to multiply those all together. So we have 12 times 5. And we want half of that because it's a triangle, so we divide it by 2. And then we multiply that times the height of our triangular prism. So now we do times 9. And we get 270 meters cubed. All right, so remember, when we have a triangular prism, the triangle is always the base. I cannot say it enough. So volume equals our base times our height, but we take the area of our base, which means we're actually going to do the area of our triangle, which is 1/2 the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. So the base of my triangle is shown here. That's 2. So I have 1/2. 2 times the height of my triangle. It's kind of hard to see, but it's this little guy here. And that's 3/4. So if you don't know what 3/4 is as a decimal, sometimes it's easier to plug that one in first. So we do 3 divided by 4. We get 0.75. And then we do times 2 because that's the base of my triangle. And then we have to divide by 2 because, divided by the wrong thing. So 0.75 times 2 divided by 2. We have 0.75 again. And this is the area of my triangle. Now I take the area of my triangle and I multiply it by the height of my prism, which is 3. And this is 2.25 meters cubed. So that's another way that you can do it. You can either plug it all into the formula at once, like we did in option A, or you can see that I found the area of just my base, and then I plugged that in and found the area of my height. So the area of my base, and then times my height. So you can do either one. You'll get the same answer either way.